This is the dual screener. Comes with your manual and how-to guide. It's got that carbon fiber look. That's awesome. Oh, I love that. Transparent board window. You got all your accessories in here for connecting. So this is what it looks like. Your laptop goes here, and this gives you your second screen. So let's go ahead and put our laptop in here. So what we do is we line this up, and then we make this tight over here, just like this. And now it's connected. Come on, focus. There you go. So just like this. So there's a couple ways of connecting it, and you guys can go from there. You can read your manual and do that, but we're doing the USB and HDMI connection. But there's multiple ways of connecting your monitor. So you can go take a look at the manual and go from there. All right, so the brightness is really down on that side, but as you guys can see, hopefully you can see, we're gonna have to adjust all of these settings here and learn it. So there's volume, brightness, there we go. Okay, we're gonna max that out. So there, up the brightness, but yeah, it just gives you a second screen, and you can mirror your one screen or you can have it as a second one. It just makes it a lot nicer and get more work done. But it's simple, easy to set up, easy to install.